Hi Lily.
Hi Jack.
How was your morning?
It was good. How about you?
Mine was fine. I like mornings.
Really, I don't.
Why not?
I always feel tired.
Maybe you sleep too late.
Yeah, maybe. What time do you wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m.
That's early.
I like to wake up early.
What do you do first?
I drink a glass of water.
Just water.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
That's smart. I go straight to coffee.
Do you eat breakfast?
Not always. Sometimes I skip it.
I can't skip it. I get hungry.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs and toast.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
If I eat cereal.
Do you cook in the morning?
No, I'm too lazy.
Yeah, I get it.
Do you work out in the morning?
Sometimes. I do yoga.
Wow, that's healthy.
It helps me stay calm.
I just stretch a little.
That's good too.
After that, what do you do?
I take a shower.
Hot or cold?
Hot, cold showers are scary.
Same here.
Then I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes the night before?
No, I choose in the morning.
That takes time.
I'm fast. I know what I like. Lucky you, I'm slow.
Do you shave in the morning?
Only twice a week.
I just do makeup quickly.
Do you wear makeup every day?
Just a little.
After dressing, what's next?
I check my phone.
Me too.
I look at messages and emails.
I check the news and weather.
Then I brush my hair.
My hair is short, easy for me.
Lucky again.
What time do you leave the house?
Around 8 o'clock.
And how do you go to work?
I take the bus.
I drive.
Do you like driving?
Not in traffic.
Me neither.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, music makes me happy.
What kind?
Calm music, soft songs.
I like rock. It wakes me up.
That's loud.
That's the point.
Do you talk to anyone in the morning?
Just my cat.
Wow, cute.
What about you?
I talk to my mom.
That's nice.
She also wakes up early.
Do you eat together?
Sometimes, not always.
I eat alone.
Do you check social media?
A little, mostly Instagram.
I try not to scroll too much.
It wastes time.
Yes, I keep it short.
What's your favorite part of your morning?
Drinking coffee on the balcony.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
My favorite part is my shower.
Feels fresh, right?
Yes, I feel like a new person.
Do you ever sleep in?
On weekends, yes.
Me too.
but on weekdays, I'm always in a rush.
Maybe try waking up earlier.
I'll think about it.
Mornings don't have to be hard.
Maybe I'll change my routine.
Start small, one thing at a time.
Good idea.
Want to try a morning challenge?
Like what?
Go for exercise in the morning for 1 week.
That sounds hard.
I'll do it with you.
Okay, let's try.
Great, we'll see how it goes.
Thanks, Lily. You're motivating me.
Happy to help.